Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a couple of ways to manage your transients. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. While we do this, I'm going to keep span open in the background so we can see exactly what we are doing. Notice that I have Ableton's stock limiter after my transient enhancers. We'll start first by TransX wide. We'll start by increasing our range to 9. Sensitivity, we'll put that at 7. Let's set our release time to 15. Let's set our duration to 12. Let's listen to how this sounds. Here is without. After. What I like to do sometimes is use a compressor beforehand. I have here Shadow Hills by Plugin Alliance. We'll do a quick setting to manage our attack and release times before it hits TransX wide. First, make sure that your sidechain is out on both left and right, and we'll make sure it is in stereo mode, and we are going to set our threshold. And we're going to set our threshold to 6. Leave your optical gain as is, and we'll set that to steel, and we're ready to listen to it. Here is before. After. The other transient enhancer that I would like to show you is Bittersweet. I'm going to set it to medium. We'll set it to around 15%. Actually, let's do 20. We'll leave everything else as is. And let's listen to it without Shadow Hills. Before. After. We'll also enable the compressor. Here's how it sounds with TransX. And now with Bittersweet. Try both and let me know what you prefer.